Thanks to our Bahamas customers for choosing EA250W indoor wallpaper display. EA250WH2 is an ultra-thin fine-pitch LED display designed for indoor applications such as home theaters and retail spaces. Featuring front maintenance access and wireless module-to-cabinetry connections, its slim 33mm profile is thinner than conventional indoor LED screens, eliminating rear maintenance space and reducing structural costs. The series adopts a plug-and-play design without extra power cables for effortless installation. Cabinets are customizable based on 250 by 250 mm modules, e.g., 500 by 250 mm, 750 by 250 mm, etc., and support 45 degrees trimming with 90 degrees corner splicing for seamless right-angle wall integration. It can be wall-mounted or ceiling suspended without additional frameworks. With high contrast and refresh rates, the EA250WH2 delivers lifelike visuals for home entertainment and commercial displays, ideal for home cinemas, indoor advertising screens, and retail stores.